Crime alert, an arsonist is responsible for more than $75,000 in damage after a Whitehaven home was set on fire this morning. And it turns out the alleged fire starter is no stranger to the woman whose house was burned down. WREG's Jarita Patterson spoke to the woman who sadly did not just lose her home from this incident.
These are raw emotions
Bullets come in the house.
from a woman who has endured a lot. But it's what happened during the wee hours Monday that left Shante Johnson without a home and without answers as to why this happened.
I'm just depressed. I'm mad. I'm sad. And like my emotions just everywhere right now.
It was early Monday morning when a man Shante once dated, she told us, came to her Berta Road home. Words between the two were exchanged, but it's when he told Shante if he could not have her back in his life, he was going to take from her life what matters most, and that's her home and everything inside. Her ex, she says, intentionally set the house she's called home over the past 4 years on fire.
I lost my dogs and my birds. I don't like my children. I don't have any kids. I lost everything.
It was while Shante was at her neighbor's house when she heard glass breaking before seeing her home burst into flames. She describes running as fast as she could to her house, but the fast-moving flames proved too much.
By the time I got in the house, I heard my dogs screaming and crying, and by the time I got halfway in the living room to push the door open, stuff was just falling in flames. So, it blew me back out the house.
By the time firefighters were able to put out the flames, the damage was done. Her home left gutted, burned to the studs. Everything Ms. Johnson has worked so hard for, she says, gone just in a matter of minutes. But incredibly, firefighters were able to bring out of the burning home her grandmother's Bible, which was still open to the 23rd of Psalms, which reads, "The Lord is my shepherd." All the more reasons why Ms. Johnson says she remains faith-filled. For your news leader in Whitehaven,
It's devastating to me.
Jarita Patterson, WREG News Channel 3.
And at last check, detectives are still looking for the man Shante Johnson says intentionally started the fire.